So here I have written a code. So it will going to help you. What I'm going to do here, I will use a model of Groq AI, that is Llama 3.1. As we discussed in the earlier videos, that there are a lot of models. So I have used one of them, and I'm going to import a Groq from the Groq, just like the OpenAI and Cloud Anthropic and OpenAI to OpenAI. That just exactly that I have used the Groq uh, with a capital G from the module that is in this lowercase Groq. So here what we're going to do, we want output that it should show how can I help you or something, a default message that we actually see that is apparent in the all the available AI tools that whenever we say opening chat or initial, when we send an initial message, they reply us with a basic reply. So we exactly want from this code. So here we see whether it is giving us the exactly that answer or not. Let's run this. Yes. Hello world, how can I assist you today? Okay, here is saying hello world. Maybe they have used default sentence, as in the above case we have used one random sentence to generate the random sentence in the output. So here also they have used something like that. That would be no issue. You can also give a exact prompt on behalf of random sentence, or you can create a variable of any name and use that particular variable on behalf of the my variable, that is random underscore sentence. So it will work both in a very accurate way, and they will provide you the output as per your desire. So you can use whatever you like. So here, let's move ahead. Now we are going to print the competitors as well as the print answers. Let's see what output it is going to give us. Okay, they give us two square bracket. It means currently they are empty. No issue. Here we type for competitors answer in the competitor answers. Here I will use F statement. Competitor, competitor. Uh, colon here competitor, and here I will use double slash n called backslash n, and now again here answer. Here it's showing errors actually. Yeah, complete. Now let's see whether it is skimming or not. Yeah, it's working. 1 second here. Okay. Yeah. Now let's move ahead. Now here I will simply type another code, and that would be for the use of enumerate. So let's bring that together. Let's type together is equal to, sorry, here for index answer in enumerate answers together. Not you. Okay. 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 Yeah. Together again. Uh, Here I will rather type answers. Okay, let's see. Yeah, it's working. Now again I have to type. So basically, we are doing a lot of practice here to get comfortable with our API keys. Here, I have used Groq, and again, I am telling that you can use any of API key you like. It's all up to you. All will be right. And in case you are getting any error because my code and your code would be different if we are using different API keys, then make sure that you either take a help of this inbuilt GitHub Copilot for any query, as I also doing a lot of research on it, and also you can also visit the guide section. Yes, here, and you can visit the section of your particular doubt. Otherwise, you can use any other AI tool for to get the solution of your problems. Now let's back to here. You are judging the competition, let's say between here. I would rather type line competitors. Yes, definitely. I think I should not have to write this much. I would rather delete it. Okay. Issue model has been here. I will write random sentence. Okay. Your task is to evaluate the criteria. Okay. Yeah, exactly. This is what I want to clarity. Yes. And finally, yeah, together. Here I will use for the togetherness. Now respond. The evaluation in the mark format. Let's run this. Let's run this. Okay, okay. Here I forgot. Yes. Yeah, it's working. Now I will simply type print together. Okay, here it's running. Here I will type print judge. Okay. Yes. So here you can see our whole output. So basically, this was the code of how to use and get a lot of answer. So basically, I use together to bring that together. So here you have to type these things, and here I used print judge to get all the clarities here and all the things which I have given as the input using the random sentence that I have used in the most probably two to three above codes up to that. So this was the code, and here you can even do a lot of more practice. Here it's doesn't have any kind of end. If you want to do a lot of coding here, so you are free to do. It would be very long lasting, but here we are just want to check that how our API keys are working and how they are responding, how they are collectively working, and what kind of module they are using. So basically this was the thing. I used a lot of things and some codes generate the output, whether was related to uh, give output of above sentences, or in or also generating a random sentence, or a quote based on certain IQ level. Or in the previous in the previous topic we discussed about one of the AI agent where they were providing us the calculation. So this was all related to how LLM help the tool or with the help of API key to generate certain outputs based on the prompts. So in the next video, we will take certain topics which are very play a significant role in the upcoming topic. So make sure you stay here, and just like today, you have to make sure that you come every day to learn something new with the same enthusiasm and same curiosity. So I will meet you in the next very topic. So till then, keep happy, keep building. Thank you.
If you have any question or any doubt, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will answer you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching. Bye and have a nice day.